side hustle options, side income options, especially for us moms, especially for some of us parents, that maybe we need time with our kids, we need time for those loved ones, and also maybe we are tired of jumping from one job to another. So there are things we can still do at the comfort of our home and still find happiness. And what are some of those things? You have the freelancing. With freelancing, you can be a writer. Some of us are good writers and we are wasting that skill there for nothing. So please, come in here and start earning money online. You can still be a graphic designer. There are so many companies hiring graphic designers. You can be a social media manager. You can be a virtual assistant. And you have platforms like Upwork that have made things easier, that you can still go in there and start launching these skills. And you have so many. Myself, when I was a project manager, I remember I hired somebody from Upwork to be applying for jobs for me. So as a virtual assistant, you can start earning money. And also the second option, we have investing. My sister, gone are those days that you'll be like, oh, checking and saving account. Now, no, now we don't save again. We do now investment. You want to start investing. And fair enough, they have made things easier. You can start investing as low as $10 from Cash App, especially some of us that are in US. You have Cash App, you have this thing, Fidelity. You can start investing it as low as $10, and you grow as you proceed, because maybe some of us will scare like, oh, cryptocurrency, I don't want to be scammed. No, start with $10. With that $10, you can see yourself growing as day goes by, and you learning to, like, you at that $10 is like a test. You want to make sure you testing the system to see if it is working, what stocks you can buy, and when you can buy them. So that is when investing. Don't go again for saving, please. Saving, that is the old way of that we used to scam ourselves. Now investing is the new route. You invest. This why I say investing, because investing will give you room where money will work for you and not you working for money. In this generation now, we have to create a system where money is working for us and not us working for money. We are booked now for soft life association, so we need to start looking for options to live that soft life from anywhere. Okay, yeah. And then another one is online business. Online business, there are so many online businesses you can do online. You can be doing digital products, you can be doing coaching and mentorship. If you want to do my line of business, I can guide you through that. But if you don't want to do my line of business, you have digital products, you have digital services, and Amazon is there that have made this easier. You have ETSY platforms that have also made this easier. So if you need assistance with that on how to start, I get in the comment section and comment there, and I will know we know where to start. If you want to start my line of business, comment interested, and I will guide you step by step on how you can start. But if not, please, you just need to choose something. Start something, at the comfort of your home. All these options, you can do them from home. You don't need to commit to nowhere. You don't need to let yourself be boss around. You can be your own boss with these options that I'm listing to you. Okay, and then another good one again is digital marketing. Yes, you have affiliated marketing. That is the third one. Affiliated marketing, that is where you get commission. You can buy something. Let me say maybe the headscarf that I'm wearing. You can still put it out there and you'll be like, oh, you see the headscarf? If you use it, please. If maybe you are tired of, you have braided your hair and you see that after a couple of days or weeks it's looking some kind of way, and you need something just to cover your head while you're looking forward to a day to braid your hair again. You need something like this. While you are advertising this, he said, oh, if you're interested, click that link below and it will guide you to my store. Whoever clicks that link, you are being paid. Whoever buys, you are being paid. That is, look, you can imagine, easy money. You advertise products that you yourself you have used. At that moment now, it's not scam, because this is what you have used. You are talking out of experience. You are encouraging other people that maybe they don't know about the product or about the item. You're telling them how it works and how it has been working for you. And you send them to your link. As they click and buy, you are being paid. As they click and go to the store, you are still being paid for people to click your link. Is that not good? Is that not easy money? And before you know, people are earning $10,000 before the year run out. Easy money from home. So please, and then the list and not the last, I will tell you, content creation. Content creation, please. Bring what you already have. Yes, some of us, we have a lot of good skills, and we are keeping them to ourselves. You'll be like, oh, I'm shy. Oh, I'm doing. No, please. You don't know who is on the other side looking forward to learn from you. Some of us, we have good, simple ways of losing weight naturally, and we are scared to put it out there. There are so many people, myself, I'm looking to lose weight. This is not hard. Look at how I look now, like a chubby rat. I'm looking to lose weight, but I don't want to use tablets. I don't want to use anything medication. I'm looking for good, simple, natural ways of losing weight. If I see a video like that, I will watch and even pay to get their services. So please bring what you have, and you'll see how many people who are out there dying to learn from you. So please don't be shy. Gone are those days that you'll be like, oh, I'm shy, I don't know what to say, I don't know what to do. No, bring what you have. We learn and teach people on your skills naturally. That one now, you don't need a capital, you don't need a certification. You can start with your phone. Whatever phone you have now that you have been coming online to watch other people strive, you can use that same phone now and start earning money. And you can do those recordings and launch them on YouTube, launch them on Instagram, launch them on Facebook, launch them on TikTok. Here on TikTok, people are dying to learn those skills from you. So please, content creation, you can start. You don't need any capital, you don't need any certification. So please, start with what you have. Start with what you know. Start where you are. You don't need to travel somewhere. Start. Just start. Just click that record button. Overcome fear. Fear over faith. Come out with that confidence and start delivering value from what you already know. Some of us, we have good project management skills, and we are keeping them to ourselves. Come and start teaching it to people, please. I'm interested. I myself, I'm about to start my own channel now on project management, because I don't want to waste those skills. I'm a certified project manager, and I'm about to start delivering those skills out there. There are so many people that want to learn on how they can be satisfied on where to start, and I'm about to start. So please, start wherever you want to start, whatever skills. Some of us know how to cook. Some of us are good makeup artists. Some of us are good dancers. Some of us are good musicians, and we are keeping it to ourselves. Some of us are good parents. We know good parenting skills. Put it out there. Some parents, they want to learn good tricks on how, good tips on how they can maybe cater for their kids. Some of us are parents, but we don't even know how we can care for our kids, our own kids that we gave birth to. It's not strange. So please, let me know in the comment section where you want to start. And if you don't know, maybe you find it interesting and you'll be like, oh, where can I learn freelancing? Where can I learn digital marketing? Where can I learn affiliated marketing? Where can I learn about this online business? Where can I learn about content creation? Maybe you know what you can start with. You don't know, you need a guide. I have somebody very good in it that can guide you on how you can narrow your niche and start something today. Please, if you find this interesting, just comment, like, or follow. And I'm looking forward for more suggestions that I can put out there for my fellow moms. God bless you all.